All their wrong, evil, whether it's the wrong they do or the evil that they suffer, is all started originally in Gilgul. They are hated. And what happened in Gilgul? Some say there was another Zohar, but there's another page. It started from the moment, because it says, it started from the moment that Israel wanted to have a seat. There was only one Malchus supposed to be, that is Malchus Beit. And it says, Hoshea comes the time, comes to and you want to have a Melech, and the K'hal Adath Jeshurun, and so forth. At the Yipra Hashem. Now, the necessity for the, and the Nevi'im came to Shmuel, and they want to have a Melech. That was Hiktimu, that was fulfilled. Because at that time they had the equivalent of a Melech, even better. But as long as they had Shmuel and Novi, they had no right to ask for him. It says about the time the Shneil ben Kanat to say, Ein Melech Yisrael, Ein Melech Yisrael, Yoter, Ein of Yate. This was the time to ask for a Melech. But when there is a man like Shmuel and Novi, who ranked equal with Moshe and Aaron, then they had no right to call him that. So they asked Shmuel and Novi for a Melech. And after the Torah said to Shmuel, Otchom Moazdu, they didn't reject you, he didn't see. They rejected me. And Shmuel told them, you were wrong, the Legion of It was not only a personal piece of Shmuel, but they were guided by Shmuel and Novi. That his guidance to God need a Melech. Need a Melech, and the Shmuel and Novi died. There's no Shmuel and Novi. And that would have been the time for Jovi Kamet. Jovi Kamet was just growing up at that night. Just growing up. That would have been the time for Malchus Victor. There was not envisaged any other kingdom in Israel that Malchus Victor. Now, since it says to Etem Lachem Melech Ba'akim, I gave you a king in my anger, right up. And then Shmuel, I know he called Israel together to Gilgul, Hadishom HaMelucha. He tells them all the Mishpat HaMelech, what the Melech can do. So the idea that there is a Melech other than the Melech based over it started in here. And when the people were dissatisfied with Shlomo HaMelech, so they said, let's have another Melech. Well, who says that we have to have a Melech based over? Then came a split, and 10 tribes chose Yoram. And from Yoram, who introduced it the began the downfall. It started, but we have to go back. How did they ever get to the idea to split and get for Am Yisrael another Melech other than Malchus Victor? This is because it started by you. So in that case, it all started in Gilgul. From Senate, there are Alon Balele, the Beiti Agoshen, and from my house I will drive them away. Which means the end is the Chum Beis HaMikdash, the end is the Chum of the Commonwealth in Eretz Yisrael. From my house I will drive them away. It started in Gilgul. La'otev Ahavotzov, I do not like, it will not continue to love them. Kol Soreim Soreim. All their Soreim, that's a play with the word. All their leaders, their princes, are Soreim, are deviating it, goes away from me, or rebellious. Kol Soreim Soreim. By the way, Savayim Soreim, this is the Yeshaya, the same play on the word.